you looking for new and creative ways to bring a touch of fall into your home? Embroidery hoops can be a great way to add a cozy and personal feel to your autumn decorations. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just getting started, there are many ways to use embroidery hoops to create simple and beautiful fall decor. In today's video, we'll explore some delightful ideas for turning embroidery hoops into charming fall decorations that will warm up your home. Pumpkin embroidery. If you're skilled at embroidering, consider creating cute pumpkin designs using embroidery hoops. These can serve as charming decorations throughout your home, adding a touch of fall to any room. Pumpkin and calligraphy. Combine embroidered pumpkins with fall-themed calligraphy on an embroidery hoop. This sweet and simple decoration can easily style your space for the fall season. Grasses and blooms embroidery. Embroider grasses and simple blooms on fabric to create a delicate piece that can be hung on a mantle, windowsill, or wall, bringing a subtle hint of fall indoors. Bold autumnal embroidery. Use bold fall-colored fabrics to embroider pumpkins, grasses, and letters, creating a vibrant autumnal display that stands out. Seasonal symbols embroidery. Go bold with fall embroidery that includes leaves, pumpkins, mushrooms, acorns, apples, anise, and other seasonal elements. These lively designs can make a big impact on your fall decor. Colorful pumpkin embroidery. Create a colorful embroidery featuring pumpkins and calligraphy, perfect for adding a playful autumn touch when hung on a wall. Floating leaf embroidery. Cover an embroidery hoop with tulle and embroider leaves on it, giving the appearance of leaves floating in midair and enchanting an airy decoration. Embroidery hoop fall wreath. Make a simple yet elegant fall wreath using a wooden embroidery hoop adorned with paper blooms and leaves. This versatile piece can be hung anywhere to enhance your autumn decor. Boho fall wreath. Craft a bohemian-style fall wreath with an embroidery hoop, using bright dried blooms, citrus slices, grasses, and macrame fringe for a vibrant and eclectic look. Yarn and dried leaves hoop decoration. Create a unique fall decoration by wrapping yarn around an embroidery hoop and adding dried leaves and grasses. This natural and simple craft is perfect for the season. Dried grass and bloom wreath. Construct an adorable fall wreath with an embroidery hoop, dried grasses, flowers, burgundy eucalyptus, and a matching ribbon bough. This adds a rustic charm to your decor. Bright dried bloom wreath. Use an embroidery hoop to craft a bright and cheerful wreath with orange billy balls, dried blooms, grasses, and a striped bough, bringing a lively touch to your home. Eucalyptus and Faw Berry Oval Wreath. Design an oval-shaped wreath with eucalyptus, dried leaves, faw berries, and plaid ribbons. This classic fall decoration adds warmth and texture to your space. Woodland-inspired fall wreath. Make a lush fall wreath with an embroidery hoop, incorporating eucalyptus, husk, berries, and pine cones for a woodland-inspired aesthetic. Rustic hoop wreath with tree slices. Create a unique wreath using an embroidery hoop, tree slices with letters, lush dahlias, greenery, and dried grasses. This rustic piece is perfect for fall decor. Glam hoop wreath. Add a touch of glamour to your fall decor with an embroidery hoop covered in twine, dried blooms, gilded feathers, a brown ribbon bough, and tags with gilded clips. Simple rustic wreath. Make a rustic fall wreath with an embroidery hoop, featuring grasses, fall seed pods, and leaves. This simple design is perfect for a cozy autumnal feel. Feather and fall leaf hoop. Use an embroidery hoop to create a simple fall decoration with feathers, fall leaves, and dried blooms, adding a natural and earthy element to your decor. Minimal twine and grass wreath. Design a minimal wreath with twine, dried grasses, and blooms on an embroidery hoop. This understated piece is ideal for a boho-themed fall decor. Rustic bunting hoop wreath. Create an adorable rustic wreath using a large embroidery hoop, decorated with a bunting of pumpkins, pine cones, and grass. This piece is perfect for adding a cozy, homemade feel to your fall decorations. Embroidery hoops offer a versatile and creative way to decorate your home for fall. Whether you're adding embroidered designs, creating wreaths, or using dried elements, these simple tools can be transformed into charming decor that brings the warmth and beauty of autumn into your space. Give these ideas a try and enjoy crafting something special for your home this season. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!